How's it going, guys? Sorry we got the washing machine running in the background. We got to work with what we got here in the basement, but I could not be more excited to bring you guys today's build. Not just because it's so awesome. We got the laminated canvas front. The shield itself is actually curved. It's not just a flat piece of plywood. Really nice even curve, and the inside, holy smackerel. Just look at that. Super comfortable, in my opinion, fully functional if you wanted to use it for sparring and stuff like that. But it's not just because the shield's so cool that I'm so excited to show it to you guys. It's the fact that I didn't even build it. As probably one of the most thoughtful birthday gifts I have ever received, my friend Nick not only made me this shield and gave it to me, but he also did a whole entire build video for it so that I wouldn't have to work on my birthday, which is just the thoughtfulness of that is really just next level. So please, guys, if you enjoy the video, please drop a like for Nick. Let him know in the comments how much you appreciate his work. And from me to you, Nick, thank you very much. You're an awesome friend, really great guy, one of the most thoughtful people I know. Yeah, I think that's it. Take it away, Nick.
You know what it is, boys and girls. It's your boy Santa Claus, aka Jolly Saint Nick. Wow, that was quite an echo. Ooh, I've got butterflies in my tummy. I've never done a build video before. I've talked to the camera before, but just very nerve-wracking. So look, parent nibbers be like, "Oh, Santa Claus isn't real." Wrong! I'm one of the realest nibbers in the game. Oh, my voice cracked. Embarrassing, but a real Santa Claus nibber never lets a debt go unpaid. You can run and tell that. And if you haven't noticed something incredibly handsome about me so far, Papa's got a brand new ball. Look at that. Wow. This ball was 100%. Oh, I almost knocked it off. There we go. I was getting a little lightheaded there. Now, a brand new ball might not seem that significant to someone who's uninitiated with the physiology of the Santa Claus race, but it's actually a pretty big deal. Our ball is very similar to the human brain and also the heart and a little bit of the colon. So I really needed it for sure. And the fact that Eli was able to perform the transplant without even so much as a license to handle essential oils, that just shows a lot of raw talent, and I think shows that Eli is a real G, which stands for good boy. Now, luckily, I'm used to living in the North Pole, so you see my hands are kind of turning red and my fingers look like they're gonna explode. That's just, I'm doing that on purpose. I like doing that to myself. It's not cold for me at all out here, so I'm just gonna casually walk through this description of what I'm about to do. Anyways, to pay Eli back for my operation for his birthday, because today is actually his birthday, November 13th. He's officially a boomer, 25 years old. Blech, disgusting. And to cover Christmas, because I'm gonna be busy that day. I got stuff to do. I forgot to tell you guys, no Christmas this year. If you want presents, just tell your parents. If they're gonna be all, "Oh, Santa Claus isn't real," might as well not have me give you the presents. That's pretty gay. Pretty messed up of you. Snowflakes everywhere. Anyways, to cover those three things, I'm gonna be combining three of Eli's favorite things. I'm gonna be combining shields, heaters, and not working. Now, Eli has been writing me for months, telling me that he needs a brand new heater for the garage, otherwise he's probably not going to survive the winter. He's just telling me over and over and over how desperately he needs the heater. But I happen to know that he also likes shields. So I thought, why not make him a heater shield? It's just the perfect gift. You just combine the two. I'm very smart, very big brain. And also, I'm doing the build video for today so that he has the day off. Because if I wasn't here doing this build video, then he would have to work straight through his birthday. And that would just, that would suck. That would really suck. Eli would like to especially thank everybody who wished him a happy birthday. As well as the incredibly thoughtful people on PayPal who gave him birthday presents and bought him his breakfast burrito this morning. That was epic. Thank you to everybody who supports Eli on Patreon. But yeah, here we go. I'm just gonna go inside because I feel like it. It's definitely not because I can't move my fingers. Okay, I'm thinking this will be pretty simple. I've got this 4-foot by 4-foot sheet of oak plywood. Make sure you get a 1/4 inch or you're gonna have a heck of a time bending it. as I can tell, that's pretty much perfect. What does Eli say? That's epic. Ho, ho, ho. Now here's where we get to flex our artistic abilities. Unless you suck, don't ruin this, okay? Just look up a template online or something. Absolutely jolly. Looking pretty good. I'm gonna start stapling this blankie on the outside. I got this from Joann Fabrics. It wasn't on sale, but I think they were scared of me, so I got it for half off. Pretty epic. It's basically just a dummy thick piece of canvas, and I think I'll actually have a lot left over. Maybe I'll just make another shield. Sell this one for some dough, some cash money, baby. Now just a normal pet hair roller. Get that boy clean, and now we start the stinky stuff. I'll mix up like, I don't know, half a can of this fiberglass resin. Gotta mix it up quick, this stuff goes fast. I hope that's enough. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh, this might be a little late to tell you guys, but make sure that whatever fabric you're using is 100% cotton. If it's like poly something, it's probably gonna start melting, and that's just gonna screw everything up. Well, by jolly, if that ain't the slickest, not a single bubble. Except for that single bubble. All right, let's finish this up. It's already the day after his birthday. I really dropped the ball on this one. Oh, not my ball. I'd be dead. That would kill me. Let's get these staples out. That is not aesthetic whatsoever. Oh, finally, the tedious part is over. Look away, Walmart belt enthusiasts. Oh, baby. Well, wait, you said Wellas?
Yeah, it's an abbreviation of well fellas. It helps you save time.
That's epic. Wellas it. Whoa, that was fast. Wella. Jeez, it's like infinite time save. Wellas, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was worth the permanent damage to my neck. Very low ceiling. I think it turned out just great. But I am never doing this again. Unless someone else does the editing. That was just torture. I can't imagine doing that years on end. I mean, geez, that was my first video and I almost called it quits. Well, happy birthday, Eli. You're a real one. And Merry Christmas to all. And remember, don't call me gay. You're gay.